Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own coconut yogurt using gelatin powder as a thickener. There's a lot of variation across coconut milk products, some that include some nasty additives and preservatives, some that have a higher content of water or oil. We are going to use gelatin powder today to create a more consistent creamy texture using some coconut milk that's preservative and additive free. There's lots of good info on making coconut yogurt at home on our blog, so make sure you check that out to get across it. The first step to making any yogurt is to sterilize all of your equipment. So that's your pot or saucepan, your whisk, your thermometer, and of course your yogurt jar. We're going to start by adding 3 400ml cans of natural coconut milk to a pot and reserving about 1/4 cup of liquid or coconut water to help bloom our gelatin. Add 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder to a small bowl and pour over around 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Allow that to bloom for a few minutes. Not all gelatin powders are the same. We're not trying to set this like a jelly, so we're using a lot less than would be necessary to do that. You may need to conduct some trial and error in this process of finding the right balance of gelatin to liquid in order to get the consistency that you like. Add the rest of the coconut milk to a saucepan. Once the gelatin has bloomed, it'll be nice and spongy. At this point, you can add that to the coconut milk and then take it over to the stove. Gently heat the coconut milk to between 35 and 40 degrees Celsius and allow the gelatin to melt in. Remove the coconut milk from the heat, and once it's come down to below 43 degrees Celsius, you can then add your starter culture. Whisk in your starter culture and 1 teaspoon of white sugar, and then pour it straight into your yogurt jar. Place the lid on the jar and then sit it into the base of the yogurt maker. Fill up the water bath up to the tall line indicator and then replace the lid to the yogurt maker. Set the temperature to 38 degrees Celsius and the time to 12 hours. And don't forget to press confirm to begin incubation. Once complete, remove the jar and put it into the fridge to cool and set for at least 6 hours. You might notice a little bit of separation. You can fix this by blending or whisking until you get a smooth consistency. Now it's ready to enjoy. If you get a firm layer of coconut oil that's set over the top of your yogurt, you can simply remove that rather than blending it into your yogurt. So there you go, a really simple and easy way to make consistent creamy coconut yogurt every time using your yogurt maker. Have a go for yourself at home, have a play around with different brands of coconut milk. We'd really love to know what you find works best for you, so let us know in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes. For more recipes and tips and tricks on making yogurt at home, then check out our blog space. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back again really soon with another recipe.